I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Greenlight card. First, download the Greenlight app from your phone's App Store. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Once installed, open the app and create your parent account. You'll need to provide your email address and set a strong, unique password for security. The next crucial step is linking your primary bank account. This connection allows you to easily transfer funds to your Greenlight parent wallet, which is the foundation for managing your family's finances. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. After setting up your parent account, it's time to add your children. For each child, you will enter their name and birth date to create their unique profile within the app. Next, you can order a personalized physical Greenlight debit card for each child. These cards typically arrive within 7 to 10 business days. Once the cards are ordered, you can easily transfer money from your parent wallet to each child's individual Greenlight account. This allows them to start spending responsibly, under your guidance, of course. One of Greenlight's most powerful features is its robust spending controls. You can set specific limits for different store categories, ensuring your children spend money only where you approve. For example, you might allow $5 at a gaming store but $50 at a clothing store. You can also establish custom allowance schedules, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or on a specific date. Plus, you'll receive instant notifications for every single transaction your child makes, giving you complete oversight and peace of mind. Greenlight prioritizes security, offering several layers of protection for your family's funds. All Greenlight accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000, providing significant peace of mind. You also benefit from robust fraud protection and the ability to instantly lock or unlock any card directly from the app if it's lost or stolen. Beyond security, Greenlight is a fantastic tool for teaching financial literacy. Its in-app educational features help children learn about earning, saving, spending, and investing responsibly, preparing them for a financially sound future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.